Remember this Genmo AI video I shared in the last video? Well, hold on to your seats, because I've discovered a lightning-fast method to create even more mesmerizing content. But before I dive into the process, let me give you a glimpse of the magic that awaits you. Pretty incredible, right? Now, let me walk you through this streamlined 3-step method, all powered by AI to create these amazing videos. Step 1. ChatGPT. Open your browser and input the prompt you'll find in the video description. Feel free to customize it. Maybe ask for multiple scenery options. Once ChatGPT works its magic cherry, pick your favorite scene from the generated options. Now that you've got your ideal scenery, step 2. Leonardo. Type in prompt and paste the description we just copied from ChatGPT. Ensure to add a 9:16 at the end of the prompt. Now choose any model. I am using Dream Shaper V7. Then press enter. Once Leonardo has generated images, select the best one and upscale it for improved quality. Finally, proceed to download the image. Step 3. Genmo AI. Sign up for a free account. Upload the image we just created using Leonardo and hit generate. Give it a moment to work its AI magic. Once generated, ensure the quality meets your standards and hits the visual mark. Then click on the download button and watch the magic unfold. Boom, you've just created a serene, relaxing video effortlessly. This AI technique is versatile and applicable to numerous other niches. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to receive the latest AI hacks early and giving it a thumbs up.